Hello everyone. Welcome back to our programming series. Today we are going to see about SkillRack Daily challenge, that is, function, reverse rows. The first for loop, int I equals r-1, starts from the last row index. The loop condition is I greater than or equals r by 2, continues until I is greater than or equal to half of the number of rows. Loop decrement, I minus minus, decrements the value of I in each iteration. The second for loop int j equals 0, starts from the first column index. The loop condition, j less than c, continues until j is less than the number of columns. Loop increment, j++, increments the value of j in each iteration. Inside the nested loop, int t equals matrix, I, j, temporary variable t is assigned the value of the current element in the last row, I. Matrix, I, j, equals matrix, r minus I minus 1, j, the value of the current element in the last row, I, is replaced with the value of the corresponding element in the symmetric row, mirrored row from the top. Matrix, r minus I minus 1, j, equals t, the value of the corresponding element in the symmetric row is replaced with the value stored in the temporary variable t, effectively swapping the elements. This process continues for each element in the row, effectively reversing the order of elements in the row. The outer loop ensures that this swapping process is applied to each row from the bottom half of the matrix up to the middle row. I hope you found this explanation helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more programming challenges. Thanks for watching.